Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the next topic of chapter 10. The chapter is reaching the age of adolescence and the topic is change in body shape. In previous video, you have seen which types of changes are found during puberty in case of an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl, and you have seen that is increase in height. Today I will discuss the next type of change which are found in boy or in a girl during puberty, that is the change in body shape of boy and girls. So first I will discuss about the change in the body shape of boy. During puberty, there are different changes are found in the body of a boy or a girl, and the body shape is changed during the puberty. So, in case of boy, the shoulder and chest become wide. It means during puberty, shoulders and chest of a boy become wider, means there is enlargement in the bones of shoulder and the chest become wider. The next change, that is in case of boy, there is development of muscles. Development of muscles. During the puberty, in boys, muscles develop more faster than girls. If you see the body structure of boy and girls which has same age, then you will get the muscles of a boy is highly developed in comparison to a girl. So this is due to the natural events, or this is a growth time for an adolescent boy, that is development of muscles in boys. The third changes, that is boy develop Adam apple, means boys develop Adam apples, means in case of boys the throat region or throat become larger in comparison to girls. So development in Adam apple I will discuss later in the topic change in the boys. So there are three major changes in the body shape of a boy during the puberty. First is broadening or wider shoulder and wider chest. Second is development of Adam apple in throat region, or we can say voice box or larynx. And third changes, that is development of muscles. In development of muscles of an adolescent boy is developed more faster than an adolescent girl. So these are the changes which are found during the puberty in case of boys, means the change in body shape. Now I will discuss the changes in body shape of girls. In girls, like boys, the changes are different or completely different. In case of boy, there is change in the shoulder bone, but in case of girls, you can see the change in the pelvic bone. It means during puberty, the waist region of a girl become wider. So first changes which is found, that is waist become wide. It means during the puberty there is enlargement in the pelvic bone of an adolescent girl during puberty. Due to this reason, the waist of a girl becomes wide. Second changes, that is development of mammary gland. It means during the puberty in a girl there is development of mammary gland, or in easy language we can say there is development in the breast of a girl, and during this time there is development of mammary gland or breast in a girl. The third changes, that is deposition of fats in waist region. During puberty, there is deposition of fats in waist and thigh region of a girl, which make a girl different from a boy by seeing the body shape of that particular boy or girl. So these are the changes in the case of girls and boy which I have discussed earlier in body shape. So here you have read that changes in body shape of an adolescent boy and adolescent girls. Now I will discuss about the next change, that is change in voice. Change in voice. During puberty, there is change in the voice of boy and girls both. You know that puberty is start from the age of 10 to 11 years and end at 18 to 19 years. So during this time there is change in the voice of an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl. If you will take the example of boy, then there is enlargement in the voice box of boy. This is the voice box and during puberty the voice box is enlarged or there is development of voice box in case of boy, and due to this reason the throat part of boys, you can see in throat part of a boy there is a projection which is clearly visible from outside. It is called voice box and it is also called development of Adam apple. And due to the development of Adam apple or large voice box, the voice of a boy is become hoarse or कर्कश, साउंड का कर्कश हो जाना, या फिर we can say that the voice become low pitched. ठीक है, so it is the development in case of boys or change in the voice in the case of boy due to the development of Adam apple or large voice box. The voice of a boy is become low pitched. And now I will discuss the change in the voice in case of girls. In girls, Adam apple or larynx or voice box is less developed, and due to this reason, in girls, the voice box is less developed. So due to this reason, during puberty, the voice of girl become high pitch. Because in case of girls, there is less development of voice box, and voice box is also called larynx. So it is all about the changes which are found in a boy or in a girl during puberty. You have read about the change in the body shape and change in the voice in case of boy and girls. In homework, you will revise the change in the body shape and change in the voice, and you will also read about the Adam apple. The name Adam apple is due to because the God first created a man that is called Adam. Due to this reason, the structure name is Adam apple. Thank you.